How to add payment methods on Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Payment Settings. Simply tap on Payment Settings. So basically this is the place where you can add all your payment systems. So here there are different methods that are available. Now it's easier if you add your credit or debit card because it will directly link with your bank account. Here simply tap on this add button and add all your credentials. Later it will be linked and you can directly purchase products from Blinkit. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.